Hey guys, welcome to this Ariana Grande makeup and hair tutorial. So first I'm just priming my eyes, and then I'm going to go with the vanilla cream shade from the Kristen Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going over my eyes using it as a base. And then I'm going to take the caramel shade and using a round fluffy brush, applying it to the crease. Alright, next I'm going with the pumpkin spice color and going in on the outer lids. Next, we're going to grab the hazelnut shade and emphasizing it on the outer corners. Next, we're gonna take the mocha shade and using a more angled brush, you're gonna go into an outer V. And you make sure you blend all of the colors together. And you just want to take those colors in the same order and do it to your bottom lash line. Next, we're going to take creme brulee and put it on the upper lid in the center to give it some glam. No one can do it like you. Alright, next is your concealer. So we're gonna cover those bad boys up like so, and then you just put that on areas that you need covering. You can also apply your foundation here and blend it with the blending brush. And next you're gonna pick your eyes. We're going in with the cream contour where you want shadow. And just going over it with the powder, putting some blush in. You can add some highlight. Next, we're gonna put on eyeliner, and here I already have my lashes on, put in lipstick, and we're moving on to the hair. So you wanna make two parts in the middle and then separate that from the rest of your hair. We're gonna grab some paste and then divide your hair into 3 sections, and we're gonna do a Dutch braid. So what you wanna do is separate your hair into 3 pieces and then grab a side, put it under your middle section, and then grab the other side, put it under the middle section, and just take hair on each side. Next, you're gonna grab those rings, put it on your hair, and then just grab your hair in a ponytail. and you're gonna use the elastic band with the hooks. And then just wrap your hair around. And you're gonna grab a regular hair tie and put it above where you made that first knot. Next, you're gonna grab a small hairpiece and wrap that around your hair to cover those hair ties. And you're gonna set it in place with some hairspray. This is optional, but you can tease the top of your hair if you want to. If you want that bronzy glowy look, then you can put on some glow body spray. If you would like a tutorial on this Ariana Grande inspired outfit, then comment down below. Thanks for watching!